Here we go again, family. We're going to continue on this journey with our holiday seasonal menu. Welcome to another exciting episode of Yes Chef. I am your host, as always, Big Chef Dro. So, today we are going to get into this dressing, and we're going to complement that with the gravy. Now, we made the turkey stock for this turkey gravy in the last episode, so you're already halfway there. So we're going to put it all together today, and I'm going to show you how to make a delicious dressing from scratch. Not even hard. Don't even worry about it. Hey, if you want to go and get that old hard stuff out of the grocery store, be my guest. Or you can stay tuned and allow me to teach you how to impress everybody at the table on Thanksgiving. So I'm excited. Let's get into it. And as always, folks, let's cook. All right, family, so let's get into this turkey gravy. There is a video about the turkey broth. If you have not seen that, I will put it up top on the button so you can go and see that before you start your gravy. This is the base of Thanksgiving dinner. And what I'm going to do, I have a stick of butter, and I'm just going to put it off in there. And I'm just going to put this flour. This is all-purpose flour, and it's about a half a cup. And I'm just going to put it off in there and allow it to cook that flour taste off. Now, it's very important that you continue to stir this, because if you don't, you're not going to have a good gravy. So just continue to stir this. This is on a medium heat. And you want this to cook off until it starts to change color. It's going to get a darker brown color on this. And I know some people are afraid to do gravy, but it's a very simple process. So I have my turkey stock ready to go. I'm just going to keep cooking this and stirring this until this flour taste cooks off in this. Now, if you saw the turkey stock gravy, you know that I did not season it, did not put any salt, any pepper, or anything. Well, I put peppercorns in there, but I'm going to go ahead and flavor this gravy because I wanted to keep the stock neutral. I didn't want to season that and then over season it when I go to do the gravy. So I kept my stock unseasoned. And this is where the patience come in, because you don't want to rush this process. Now, as you can see, it's starting to turn a darker color. That means it's cooking. That means that the flour taste is pretty much cooked out of it. And you can start adding your stock to this. So that is a beautiful color where we're at right now. I kind of turned the heat up just a little bit. I want all of that flour flavor to get out of there. It's so easy to make gravy. It's so easy. All right, so I'm going to go in with this turkey stock. going to be a little hot, so be very careful. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn it down just a little bit to about a medium low. And I'm going to let all of those flavors cook into that. Oh man, look at that. It's already looking great. And so now I'm going to go ahead and add some salt to it because I know it's very bland. So I'm going to do about 1.5 teaspoons. And if it gets too thick, I do have more turkey stock that I can add to it. And I'm going to put a little bit of pepper in there, just a little bit. I don't want the pepper to overpower the flavor of the stock. And I think it's getting a little too thick, so I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit more turkey stock to it. All right, now the first one I put in was at room temperature. This was in the refrigerator. And so it's kind of gotten a little gelatinous being in the refrigerator, but that's okay. We don't want it too thick, but then again, we don't want it too thin. So we're going to get that incorporated in there. I'm going to just keep stirring, and I'm going to turn it down a little bit more. And then we'll give it a taste. And as always, with a great sauce that you have actually nailed, it's going to adhere to the spoon. That's beautiful. That is beautiful. And we can actually add just a little bit more of the turkey stock to it. All right, folks, so this gravy is exactly where I want it to be. This is absolutely a great gravy. So you see how I simplified it for you folks. We made the stock in one video, and on this video, we showed you how to bring everything together. So now if you like the content that you just seen, go ahead and hit the like button for me. And if you're new to this channel, I want to thank you for watching. And if you're interested in being a part of this family, go ahead and hit the subscribe button for me. And if you want to stay up to date to all of the videos that we're bringing out on this channel, because we're going to continue bringing the flavor, we're going to continue impressing you with all of these great recipes, but yet making it simple for you to do at home, go ahead, hit the notification button, and you'll be up to date on every video that we put out. So folks, until the next video, until the next time we see you, as always, family, peace.